Welcome to our comprehensive guide on starting and succeeding with your dropshipping business. In this in-depth tutorial, we'll provide you with a thorough understanding of dropshipping and take you through each step to set up, manage, and grow your dropshipping business effectively. Talking point 1. Understanding dropshipping. Before we jump into the nuts and bolts, let's thoroughly understand dropshipping. We'll explore the advantages and disadvantages, such as low startup costs, minimal risk, and the potential for high profit margins, as well as challenges like fierce competition and supplier issues. Talking point 2. Choosing the right niche. Choosing the right niche is the cornerstone of your dropshipping venture. We'll delve deeper into methods for niche selection, considering your passion, target audience, competitive landscape, and seasonal trends to help you make an informed choice. Talking point 3. Market research and product selection. Let's get in depth about market research. We'll show you how to utilize Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and eBay's trending products to uncover potential product ideas. We'll also discuss the importance of assessing product demand and competition. Talking point 4. Finding reliable suppliers. Reliable suppliers are the lifeline of your dropshipping business. We'll dig deep into vetting suppliers, establishing strong relationships, and utilizing directories like AliExpress to connect with reputable suppliers. Talking point 5. Setting up your e-commerce store. Creating your online store is where the rubber meets the road. We'll provide an in-depth guide on choosing the right e-commerce platform, customizing your store, and optimizing it for mobile and SEO. Talking point 6. Crafting compelling product listings. Product listings deserve meticulous attention. We'll explore the art of creating engaging product descriptions, optimizing product images, setting competitive prices, and implementing effective SEO techniques. Talking point 7. Effective e-commerce marketing strategies. Marketing is the engine of your business. We'll go deeper into social media strategies, email marketing campaigns, the power of influencer partnerships, and the ROI of paid advertising through Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads. Talking point 8. Providing outstanding customer service. Exceptional customer service is non-negotiable. We'll explore how to maintain clear communication, handle customer inquiries, resolve issues professionally, and establish a trustworthy and memorable brand reputation. Talking point 9. Scaling your dropshipping business. As your business grows, it's essential to scale wisely. We'll dive deep into product expansion, optimizing fulfillment processes, evaluating additional sales channels, and streamlining your operations for maximum efficiency. Talking point 10. Financial management and profitability. For long-term success, financial management is crucial. We'll discuss cash flow management, tracking expenses, understanding your profit margins, setting aside funds for taxes, and building a sustainable business model. In conclusion, the world of dropshipping offers incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs. With a solid understanding of its intricacies and a well-thought-out strategy, you can build a thriving business and secure your financial future. Thank you for joining us on this extensive journey through the world of dropshipping. If you found this video valuable, please consider liking and subscribing for more in-depth e-commerce insights and guidance. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. Best of luck on your dropshipping journey, and stay tuned for more invaluable content.